Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about shapes of and geometry of the molecules based on VSEPR theory. So some molecules geometry we will discuss here. In this, first one is molecule type and how many number of bond pairs, number of lone pairs, and arrangement of the ions, and we will discuss about first one is geometry of molecules based on VSEPR theory. Based on VSEPR theory. So first one, AB2 type of molecule. I will explain molecule type. AB2E. So AB2E means number of bond pairs in case of this. Number of bond pairs 2. Number of lone pairs 1. Number of lone pairs 1. And here shape is trigonal planar. Shape is trigonal planar. Examples SO2 and O3. Sulfur dioxide and ozone are example for this type of molecule. So when you observe the structure of sulfur dioxide, the structure is like this with one lone pair of electron. So same oxygen also, ozone also like this. So one atom is like this. So this is considered as central atom A. This is B. This is also B with one lone pair. So here sulfur is considered as central atom. So this is AB2E type of molecules. AB2E type of molecules, number of bond pairs are 2. B is called as bond. Next, AB3E type. Next one, AB3E type. Second one is type AB3E type. AB3E type molecule is how many number of bond pairs? Number of bond pairs how many? 3 bond pairs. Number of lone pairs. 1. And shape of the molecule is trigonal pyramidal or pyramid shape. Simply we are saying pyramid shape, trigonal pyramidal. So what is the structure? How can you draw the structure? Here this is A, B here. This is lone pair like this. This is the structure. So same as this ammonia structure is also like this. This is lone pair. So this is the structure of ammonia. And after that, I will take one more example. Water. So water is which type of molecule? AB2E2 type of molecule. Water is AB2E2 type of molecule. Water AB2E2 type of molecule. So AB2 type, E2 type of molecule. So AB2 type of E2 molecule is bent shape. So how the structure is? So number of bond pairs in case of this, number of bond pairs 2, number of lone pairs 2, number of lone pairs 2, and shape is bent shape. Shape is bent shape. So here central atom is like this: A, B here, B, lone pair here also lone pair and lone pair. So AB2 E2 type. AB2 E2 type. Number of bond pairs 2, number of lone pairs 2. Shape is bent shape. So same water molecule structure is like this only. Water molecule structure is like this only. So this is the structure of water molecule. 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs are there. Next one AB4 E type. So AB4 E type. AB4 E type. AB4 E type molecule. So AB4 E type means how many number of bond pairs? Number of bond pairs are 4. So number of bond pairs are 4. Number of lone pairs are 1. And the structure is like this: A, B, 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 here lone pair. The structure is called as seesaw structure. Seesaw structure. Seesaw structure. So the actual structure is trigonal by PCl5. Pure bond pairs are there in PCl5. Trigonal bipyramidal structure is there, but with lone pair. Is PCl5 structure is trigonal bipyramidal. So in observing PCl5, P, chlorine here, here also chlorine. The structure is called as trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. So next one is AB3E2 type. Example for this is SF4 molecule. SF4 is an example for this seesaw structure. So seesaw structure example is SF4. Sulfur tetrafluoride is an example for this structure. So number of bond pairs are 4, number of lone pairs are 1, and the structure is seesaw structure. Next one is AB2E2 type. AB2E2 type. AB2E2 type. So AB2E2 type means central atom having AB3E2 type. AB3E2 type. So A, B, here lone pair, here lone pair. AB3E2 type. 2 lone pairs, 3 bond. Number of bond pairs 3. Number of lone pairs 2. ClF3. So ClF3, ClF4. ClF4 is an example for this T shape. So T shape, and also it is also AB4E type. AB3E type. So here 3 bond pairs and 3 lone pairs here once you observe ClF3. So ClF3 is an example for this. Next one, square pyramidal. AB3 E2 type. So AB3 into XeF4. XeF4 is AB4 E2 type of molecule. XeF4, you take XeF4. XeF4 AB4 E2 type XeF4. When you observe the structure of XeF4, here 4 fluorine atoms are there. Fluorine here, fluorine here, fluorine like this. Here this is the structure. So bond pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Number of bond pairs are 4. Number of lone pairs are 2. So number of square planar. Actual structure is octahedral. So if it is like this, then octahedral structure is possible. SF6. But 2 lone pairs are there. Therefore, the structure is square planar. Square planar structure. In case of SF6 is actually octahedral. SF6 is octahedral structure. SF6 is octahedral because it has 6 bond pairs. Sulfur here. So this is fluorine, this is fluorine, this is fluorine, this is also fluorine, and this is also fluorine. So if regular structure, octahedral, but in case of XeF4, it is not regular, it is irregular. Irregular, 2 bond pairs are there. If 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pair is there, that is square pyramid. I will give an example for this. AB5E type. That is AB5 E type. So number of bond pairs are 5. Number of lone pairs are 1. So this shape is square planar, square pyramid. Square pyramid. So square pyramid. So here, in case of square pyramid, so Br, F, here also F, here also F, here also F, here 1 lone pair. So like this is the structure. Br, F5. Number of bond pairs are 5, number of lone pairs are 1. So we are square pyramid structure. So these are the exceptional cases of the shapes of the molecules. If 4 bond pairs are there, the regular structure, that is tetrahedron. So this is about shapes of the molecules based on VSEPR theory. So number of lone pairs and number of bond pairs, so we have considered all these. We will take this one. So this is about shapes of the molecules.